Welcome back to Autoscope. External design for the Hyundai Motorhome 2026. Aerodynamic and modern, has sleek LED headlights, a distinctive front grille, perhaps the Parametric Jewel Grille, clean lines, and neatly integrated taillights, all characteristics that are characteristic of Hyundai's current design language. Panoramic windows are large or panoramic windows on the top and sides to maximize views and natural light. An integrated awning is an electric awning that easily opens and closes to provide outdoor protection. Broad entry door, a large main door with a folding ladder that can be operated manually or automatically for easy access. External storage compartments, several areas for storing supplies, luggage, and camping gear that are accessible from the outside. Interior design, seating area, comfortable L or U-shaped sofa, usually with a table that can be moved or folded down. To integrate into the living area, the front passenger and driver seats may be rotated 180 degrees. LED lighting, energy efficient. Adjustable ambient LED lighting creates a warm atmosphere. Kitchen, stove, stainless steel sink, refrigerator, freezer. Storage, a large number of cabinets and drawers for food and cookware. Comfortable bed and excellent mattress of the perfect size, possibly with pocket springs or memory foam. Wardrobes, overhead shelves, and underbed drawers are examples of storage solutions. It is anticipated to be powered by a strong and cost-effective Hyundai Smartstream diesel engine, most likely a 2.20 or 2.5L, coupled to a smooth automatic transmission. Options for electric hybrid engines, given Hyundai's commitment to electrification, an all-electric motorhome or even a plug-in hybrid version may be offered. Drivetrain, for increased load capacity, larger motorhomes use rear-wheel drive RWD and campers use front-wheel drive FWD. Advanced Infotainment System, big touchscreen with motorhome-specific navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Wi-Fi hotspot, wireless mobile device charging, and a USB-C connection are examples of connectivity features.